Hello, it's Susan. Art by Susan King is my channel. Welcome. Today I'm going to do a test between using Australian Floetrol with my cell activator and using American Floetrol. I'm going to be using black oxide paint, Amsterdam. I'm going to be using two colors only. They are Amsterdam greenish blue. You can see that. Greenish blue. And then Amsterdam reflex green. That's it. Two colors. White base. Just going to bring this over. Oh, you know what I forgot? All right, just so that the paint doesn't flow over. I'm going to put these popsicle sticks here. Okay. All right. So, napkins. Oops. Okay. All right. The first one I'm trying is the where am I? Is the Australian Floetrol. And I'm mixing it really, really well. Okay, gotta move these quickly before. Oh God. Jeez, I'm having trouble blowing lately. Lots of trouble. I have lots of black in this. I'm just gonna let that see if the black gets smaller. Oh, I'm gonna spin it now. Just before I do that, I gotta wipe off these things. Sticks, or they'll stick to everything. Okay. See, I blew too hard in that one spot. And pillow's showing through. Yeah, that's good. I gotta do this fast too before it runs off. Okay, so I might blow off camera. A couple air bubbles. All right, let's quickly do this. Hope I have enough for the next one. Let's go. I didn't get nearly as bad of a white mark as I had before, so I like it a little. I like it better. I just it went off to one side. All right, I'm going to spin now. I still got that same spot on here. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. I think I might have put too much cell activator on, and that's maybe why I got a big huge blob in the middle. I'm gonna see if I can get anything more in the middle. It doesn't look like it. All right, So that looks good, except for that one spot. Use up the last of this paint. Green. Okay, so now the American Floetrol, and I'm going to whip it here, stir it really well. I got to move the camera. Looks pretty good. Again, I got a large area of black in the middle, but this is just a test. Oh, I was supposed to take these away. Oh dear. Okay, spin. Oops, that wasn't good. Can't spin to the with my left hand. Spin to the right, no problem. I got a little blob of something in here. Very cool. So I don't see much of a difference at all, really. I mean, this is just, you can notice the lacing and the cells in this one more because it's lighter. I had less blue in this one, and I spun quite a bit. This one I added more blue, but basically they both work. So this one is the Australian Floetrol cell activator, and this one is the American Floetrol. This one here, I ended up using about 5 parts of Floetrol to 1 part of paint. And this one is 3 to 1. Okay. Hello, I came back with a dried result. They both dried really nice. This one here is the one with Australian Floetrol. Only thing is I blew too hard over here, so the pillow came through. And this one is the one with American Floetrol. Is nice as well. So they both turned out really good. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this. So if you want to use American Floetrol, it works really well. I used 5 parts Floetrol to 1 part of the Amsterdam Oxide Black. Lamp Black works too, and Titanium White. So there should be some playlists popping up on the screen if you want to watch some more of my videos, some other ones. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.